Greetings. I am Frederik X, King of Denmark, and today, I invite you to walk through the chapters of my life and reign. As I speak to you in the year 2024, my heart swells with pride and humility for the journey Denmark and I have shared. It has been a reign shaped by tradition, innovation, and an unwavering commitment to the prosperity of my people. I ascended the throne on the 14th of January, 2024, succeeding my beloved mother, Queen Margrethe II, whose reign was marked by wisdom and resilience. Stepping into her shoes was no small task. Denmark had become a beacon of democracy, sustainability, and cultural richness under her guidance, and I was determined to build upon this legacy. From the earliest days of my reign, I prioritized unity and inclusiveness. As a modern monarch, my role is constitutional, yet deeply symbolic. I see myself not as a ruler but as a servant to the people. I strive to embody the values of Denmark: equality, openness, and respect for all. I have often walked among my citizens, listened to their stories, and shared in their struggles and triumphs. One of the defining challenges of my reign has been climate change. Denmark has long been a global leader in green energy and sustainable practices, and I made it my mission to further this cause. I vividly recall inaugurating the world's largest offshore wind farm in the North Sea, a project that symbolized our commitment to a carbon-neutral future. Through public and private collaborations, we have advanced technologies that now inspire nations worldwide. Culturally, I have worked tirelessly to celebrate and preserve our heritage while embracing the diversity that enriches our nation. I have championed initiatives to support our artists, writers, and filmmakers, ensuring that Danish creativity continues to shine on the global stage. At the same time, I have encouraged dialogue between our traditional values and the ever-changing dynamics of our multicultural society. One of my proudest moments came during the 2024 Copenhagen Climate Summit, where leaders from around the world gathered to discuss actionable solutions to our planet's greatest threat. Denmark's voice was loud and clear, advocating for cooperation over competition and for compassion over indifference. It was a moment when I felt the weight of history, knowing that we were shaping a future that my grandchildren might inherit. Being king is not without its personal sacrifices. There are times when I yearn for the quiet days of my youth, sailing along Denmark's pristine coastlines or spending long evenings with my family. Yet, the honor of serving my nation outweighs these moments of longing. My wife, Crown Princess Mary, has been my unwavering pillar of support, her warmth and intelligence a source of inspiration to all who know her. Together, we have raised our children to carry forward the spirit of Denmark, strong, compassionate, and forward-thinking. As I reflect on my reign so far, I feel immense gratitude for the trust my people have placed in me. My story is, above all, a story of Denmark, a nation that has consistently punched above its weight on the world stage, a nation whose people embody resilience and hope. And so, as Frederik X, I pledge to continue walking this path with humility and determination. Together, we will face the challenges of tomorrow, united by the spirit of a nation that has always dared to dream of a brighter future.